The latest heavy rescue built by SVI trucks here for Cherry Valley, Illinois. It's got a rescue front bumper with the Hurst Octoflow system on the truck. Got tool storage underneath there and another hose reel and more tool storage up on top. Over on the street side here, got a 1,000-pound tray, 150 out and down, a couple hydraulic reels up there, and then 12-volt panel, VMUX electrical system. Got a fuel storage cabinet, little hydraulic power unit, some saws, a little giant ladder storage, electrical reel, the junction box. Got SCBA storage here in the fenders, as well as a fender tie-off. Got some more trays here, extinguisher storage, one position Bauer fill station with cascade, low pressure air reel, some trays underneath and the wheel chocks, rear stairway. It's got integrated ladder storage here. See, it's got pike poles and ladders. And then up on top, just a whole bunch of storage here. This is where the Hurst Octoflow system is. Some more storage back there, some floor dry. It's got a Command Light up here, metal halide and backlighting. Got some tool boards. That's where the floor dry comes out with a little hose. It's a transverse tray, so it goes out either side. Got some hose storage here. It slides out. Got some poly toolboxes for chains and stuff. Got some airbag storage. Adjustable shelving, trays. More SCBA storage in the fenders. Another fender tie-off. Electric reel. Junction boxes. Some poly storage for cribbing. Tool board with some gear hooks here. Some more hydraulic reels. This truck has these extendable fair leads on the reels. So when you pull the fair lead out, it's really hard to scratch your truck. And it's real easily mounted to the reel. Got some hydraulic tools underneath here, cutter and spreader, portable winch, and the 120-volt setter there. Got a American flag mural on the side. And then in here you got a little EMS compartment, roll-up door. Got flashlights. David Clark intercom, seating for 3. Some more on-scene helmet brackets. Little workstation here. Knox box, key storage. And there's the front area. Got a little handheld spotlight. So there's the latest and greatest from SVI here in Loveland, Colorado. You can see this truck at the FDIC coming up here in next week or two in Chicago.